Aloha, Malia with the Hawaii Bicycling League. There's a lot of different types of bike infrastructure here in Hawaii, and Hawaii Bicycling League and State and County of Honolulu is trying to get more so that people of all riding abilities have a place that they feel safe to ride. If there's a bike lane and it's safe, that means free of debris, parked cars, potholes, then that bicycle rider should be using it. But they can exit the bike lane and ride in a lane of traffic if they're going to be making a turn or going the same speed as traffic at the time. This is a protected bike lane. It's on the street, but there is a physical barrier between people riding their bikes and people driving their cars. And it's painted green in the places that you want to pay special attention. Those green painted areas are where people's paths may cross. People driving, walking, and biking. So you want to pay extra special attention to them. For both motorists and cyclists, slow down and make sure to look both ways before you get to the green painted area. Bike infrastructure is great and it makes the road safer for everyone. People walking, people biking, and people driving. So get out there on your bike and ride aloha.